Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you
5 best gate latches. V6201 LTCH blocks on 346-2014/9/16 LokkLatch. Super strong engineering polymers and stainless steel components. Will not rust, bind or stain expensive fence material. Side fixing legs deliver an easy installation and superior strength. Horizontally and vertically adjustable, adjust during and after installation. Key lockable for added security. 4/9/16 super strong engineering polymers and stainless steel components will not rust, bind or stain expensive fence material. Side fixing legs deliver an easy installation and superior strength. Horizontally and vertically adjustable. N109040 V1390 thumb latch in black. Designed to latch in or out swinging gates and doors up to 3 inches thick. Includes decorative pull and mounting fasteners, can be used in either right or left hand applications. Heavy-duty construction provides for long, maintenance-free operation. Magnum heavy-duty solid steel hidden shackle padlock. 5-pin cylinder provides maximum pick resistance while key retaining safeguard ensures padlock is not left unlocked. Key lock is made of zinc-plated solid steel for maximum strength, reliability and corrosion resistance. Hidden shackle design eliminates shackle exposure and protects against bolt cutter attacks. Indoor and outdoor padlock with key, lock and hasp is best used for moving trucks, vans, and buildings with sliding doors. TKKO2ACK digital door knob lock with electronic keypad. This door lock is great for bedrooms, closets, storage rooms, and many other interior doors throughout your home. No need to carry keys, share keys, or make extra copies of keys. The latch is adjustable to make sure it fits the widest range of applications. No handyman required, installation is just as easy as any other lock. If you run into any issues, the MeLocks support team is available to help at 909-869-0552, located just outside of Los Angeles, California. Lockable one-way livestock gate latch. The Golini lockable one-way livestock gate latch is for use on residential, commercial or livestock gates with 1 5/8 inch to 2 inches OD round tube. One-handed operation, prevents gate end from sagging or swinging, durable and safe. Can be padlocked for additional security, allows gate to swing in one direction.
Follow video description if you want to know the price. Thanks for watch. Subscribe my channel for more videos.